careful, man. Stick to the shadows.
Move, section. It's coming back around! This way! Into the building!
My general, accept the counsel of your compatriot Kenwar Khan. We have lost many soldiers in our struggle with the Eastern Dragon, but as a result our enemy has spread its defenses too thin. They have left important economic and civilian targets unguarded. This should be our next objective in our war against the global oppressors. Let us rise again, my brother. You can lead us to our final victory.
The time has come. Our cause is just, and our soldiers stand ready. We shall fall upon our foes like lightning from a cloudless sky.
Cover! Look out!
They shall flee before our righteous anger, and their armies will come to ruin.
The Chinese.
I killed 3!
Vengeance is sweet.
I killed 4! Terror Squad, move to our mountain hideout and prepare for counter-attack. The Chinese are scouring the hills for our hidden base.
General, the Chinese are dug in around that hydroelectric dam. Destroying the dam will free the villagers from Chinese tyranny. The Chinese have laid claim to this peaceful village and are spreading their vile propaganda among these simple fishermen. We have rumors of a secret arms dealer operating in this area. If we can find him, we can buy weapons for our cause. General, our goal is clear. Destroy the dam.
Such is the fate of our enemies. Ruin and death. Behold, doom has come to our enemies. Like a tide, we shall sweep over them and drown them in their own greed and evil.
That will teach the Chinese.
brought out fear. Fear. Yes. Fear. Can't you feel it? The rage of all being unfulfilled. It was all because Sparta slammed the door to the demon world in their faces.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
Let's see if you can survive this time.
Shoot!